Welcome back, recruits. I'm Chris Nance with the Northern California Ghostbusters, and today we are going to take a few moments to show you how to assemble one of my custom drop leg utility holsters into a trap holster. The base of this is in fact something that you can get on Amazon. It's Condor brand utility leg rig. It comes basically with this like mole plate and the belt attachment, and then an extra little like Velcro cross strap. And then several pouches attached to it. You want to take those extra pouches off of the mole rails, and then you can see if you take either your HasLab or I use the GB Fans trap holster, but there is no reason why the HasLab trap holster wouldn't fit on here. But you can see all I've done is I've basically just attached it using zip ties. So you'll actually need two to make it all the way around the strap to the front of the trap holster. And then I used another set of zip ties to create a cross space for the Velcro strapping. Velcro strapping just goes right through where your belt normally would, and voila, you've got yourself a drop leg trap holster. The Amazon link for the utility rig will be in the description below. I believe they run about $25, $30. It's been a little while since I've looked at the pricing on them.
It just seems a little pricey for a unique fixer-upper opportunity, that's all.
All the rest of this is just some extra barrel plugs and rat tails and stuff that I happen to have laying around that I sort of lined some of the plate with to give it more of a technical look. And there you go, Biker Scout 1599. You're not the only one who's requested that I show how I put this together, so I'm glad to show it off to all of you.
Don't forget to smash that button.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, smash that bell, leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, and that's it for today.
Well, that wasn't such a chore now, was it?